channel. I am underneath the body of a Chrysler 300, a 2012 model. What I'm about to do is replace the cat converter. I got a P0430, which is a bank 2 side cat converter. And what we have determined is that it needs to be replaced. All right, so let's go over some replacement procedure right now. First of all, we're going to let the car warm up. It is extremely hot. If you let this car idle for no more than a good second, actually, it will get extremely hot. They try to heat these cats up real quick. So what we want to do is unplug both O2 sensor connectors. That one's unplugged. Let's get this one unplugged. Now this cat is pretty easy because you don't have to unhook it from the head. You got two bolts right there, one right there and one right there. So all we need to do is loosen it. And then we come back here. Oh wow, it's even easier than I thought. Unloosen this bolt, and you got a 13mm on top of here that you unloosen both of these, so this side would just merely drop. Once you do that, this cat will fall right out of place. Nothing to it but to do it. And of course you will have to replace or remove the O2 sensors and remove to the new cat converter, which is down here. All right, so let's get this cat off. All right, so I got the top bolts off, all the O2 sensors disconnected. And I just removed the bracket to the top part of the cat. Here's the bracket. We should be ready to fall out, ladies and gentlemen. Still kind of a little warm, but I can live with that. So actually what I'm gonna have to do on this one is remove the other side. Okay, not so much remove it, but loosen it so the whole rear exhaust will back up. That way I can create some clearance between the exhaust and the cat. All right, so let's try it this way. There we go. Nothing to it. Here's your bank 2 cat converter, ladies and gentlemen. Wasn't that bad. All right, let's get the O2 sensor swapped over and we will be complete. Okay, now that we have the cats off down on the ground, all we gotta do is simply transfer the O2 sensor. We wanna make sure we put the downstream O2 sensor in the downstream spot, which is after the cat. In this case, this is the center of the cat. Okay. And we want to make sure we replace or remove the upstream O2 sensor from its slot and put it in the same spot. Okay. Now once you do that, reverse the procedure you used to remove it to install it, and you're good to go. Erase your fault codes, go test drive it, make sure everything is okay, there's no exhaust leaks, and that should be a successful repair, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. All right, thanks for watching, comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.